Good morning, students. Okay, we are continuing with exercise 7.3 only. We have left at question number 5 in the last video. So your question number 6. Question number 6 says a shopkeeper marks his good at such a price that would give him a profit of 10%. So first thing they have given profit of 10%. After allowing a discount of 12%, discount is 12%. Okay. If the article is marked at 2250, marked means marked price, marked at rupees 2250. Find its selling price. They are asking for the selling price. Okay. So we have both marked price and discount percentage. So selling price they are asking for. We know the formula for the selling price. Selling price is 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100. So 100 minus discount percent is what? 12. It is given to you. Okay. It is already given in the percentage. Multiplied by marked price 2250 by 100. Now I believe everyone is able to solve it further. You have to just do the calculation. You'll get the selling price. Second thing, they're asking for the cost price. Okay. They have a second part also. They're asking for the cost price. Cost price formula also you know. Cost price is what? 100 into SP 100 plus profit percent. Why plus profit percentage formula I have used? Because profit is given to you. अगर loss होता तो हम minus loss percentage लिख देते. This is the formula. Now you have everything. 100 SP. SP आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. Put the value. 100 plus profit percentage. Profit percentage is 12. So just add it up and solve it further. You'll get the answer of CP as well. Do the calculations yourself. Okay. Moving to your question number 7. It says a shopkeeper purchased a calculator for rupees 650. Purchase मतलब खरीद रहा है. Shopkeeper purchase a calculator for rupees 650. Okay. तो that is the cost price because he is purchasing it. Sell तो नहीं कर रहा ना. Selling price नहीं हो सकता. He is purchasing. So it is the cost price. Cost price of a calculator. You have to write complete. Okay. He sells it at a discount of 20%. Discount percentage is given 20%. And still makes a profit of, और उसके बाद भी उसे profit हो रहा है 20% का. Find the selling price. So first part they are asking for the selling price. Without thinking, just put the formula for the selling price. ठीक है. बट आप कहोगे कि मैम हम सेलिंग प्राइस का तो ये भी फॉर्मूला होता है 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट इनटू मार्क्ड प्राइस अपॉन 100. बट हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज़ करेंगे? क्योंकि मार्क्ड प्राइस तो गिवन ही नहीं है. सो वी वोंट बी एबल टू कैलकुलेट दिस. सो पुट दैट CP1 फॉर्मूला. 100 प्रॉफिट इज गिवन, सो प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज इनटू CP. Here you have to use your common sense कि हम CP वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे because cost price is given to you upon 100. 100 plus profit percentage. Profit percentage is what? 20. Cost price is 650 upon 100. Okay. Now 100 plus 20, 120 into 650 divided by 100. Cancel हो गया 0 से 0. So multiply 12 into 65. Whatever you will get, that is your selling price. Second thing, they are asking for the marked price. Now they are asking for the marked price. Okay. मार्क प्राइस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? 100 इंटू SP 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज. सेलिंग प्राइस आपका यहाँ से कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज आपको गिवन है, दैट इज 20. सो जस्ट पुट बोथ द वैल्यूज है. सेलिंग प्राइस पिछले वाले पार्ट से और डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज 20 गिवन है. सो वंस यू विल पुट द वैल्यूज यू विल सॉल्व इट फर्दर एंड गेट द आंसर. यू विल गेट द marked price. Okay. Moving to question number 8. A shopkeeper buys a dinner set for rupees 1200. Again he is buying it. Okay. Buying it. So CP is given. CP of dinner set, right full form, and marks it 80% above the cost price. वो कह रहा है जो उसका मार्क्ड प्राइस है वो 20% अबव द कॉस्ट प्राइस है, मतलब इतना तो वो ले ही रहा है क्योंकि मार्क तो वो ज़्यादा करेगा कुछ ना कुछ, तभी तो वो कुछ उस डिस्काउंट भी प्रोवाइड करेगा उसके बाद. तो ही इज़ टेकिंग दिस मच ऑल्सो, प्लस उसने जो मार्किंग किया, जो उस पर टैग लगाया, उस पर जो वो वैल्यू लिखने वाला है, 20% अबव द मार्क प्राइस, दैट मीन्स 20% ऑफ MP. क्योंकि अबव है कुछ ना कुछ इंक्रीज होएगा, सो आई एम टेकिंग अ एडिशन साइन. ओके, so 1200 plus 20%. 20% मतलब 20 by 100. Off means multiplication. Marked price is 1200. Right? So solve it. This will get cancelled. This will be coming 1200 plus 12 to the 24, 240. So in all over you will get rupees 1440. ठीक है. कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं, सिर्फ 20% ऑफ MP निकाल देते हैं. 20% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस का 20% था, 20% निकाल के और लिख लेते हैं मार्क प्राइस इज 240. बेटा यूज़ योर कॉमन सेंस. अगर उसने 1200 का ख़रीदा है तो कोई भी उस पर 240 का टैग क्यों लगाएगा, अपना लॉस क्यों कराएगा. सो 1200 तो वो लेगा ही लेगा, प्लस 20% ऑफ CP. सो दिस इज़ द मार्क्ड प्राइस नाउ. ओके, सो वंस यू हैव द मार्क्ड प्राइस, नाउ दे आर आस्किंग फॉर, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज मार्क्ड प्राइस ओनली, वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. Second part, they are asking for the selling price. Now you know the formula of the selling price. Selling price is 100 minus discount percent, 100 minus discount percent into marked price upon 100. Discount percentage. If you'll see the question, it is given in the question. If he gives a discount of 15% on it, so on this he is giving you a discount of 15%. Okay, so put the value here. This is 15 given to you. Marked price we have calculated, that is 1440 divided by 100. 100 minus 15 gives you 85 into 1440 upon 100. Solve it further. Whatever answer you will get will be your selling price. Okay. Third thing they are asking for the profit percentage. Profit percentage के लिए first we will calculate the profit. Profit is what? Selling price minus cost price. Once you solve it for the selling price, आपके पास selling price भी होगा. Cost price is already given to you, that is 1200. You will get the profit here. Formula for the profit percentage, you already know, profit upon CP into 100. Once you have all these values, put it here and get the answer of the profit percentage as well. Okay. This is all about your question number 8. Further moving to question number 9. Question number 9 says, the cost price of an article is rupees 1600. Cost price of an article is rupees 1600. So, they have given you the cost price, rupees 1600, which is 20% below the marked price. Try to understand this line first. They are saying, जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है वो 1600 है और ये कॉस्ट प्राइस मार्क्ड प्राइस से 20% कम है, विच इज़ 20% बिलो द मार्क्ड प्राइस. हमें मार्क्ड प्राइस नहीं पता है, सो लेट अस सपोज लेट द मार्क्ड प्राइस इज X. ओके, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. दे आर सेइंग CP इज मतलब CP इज इक्वल टू, विल पुट द साइन ऑफ इक्वल टू 20% बिलो द मार्क प्राइस. तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट X क्योंकि मार्क प्राइस हमारा X है. बिलो मतलब कम हो रहा है, सो विल टेक अ साइन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. 20% ऑफ मार्क्ड प्राइस. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व इट. CP इज गिवन टू यू 1600. X minus 20%. 20% is 20 by 100 of multiplication. Mark price we have taken X. Okay, now solve it further. Take the LCM here, 100. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, I'm writing it 1. When you will divide, you will get 100. So 100 into X, 100X. I've done nothing, just taken an LCM. Okay, equals to 1600. Solve the equation. 1600 equals to 100 minus 20 gives you 80X upon 100. Okay, cancel, 0 से 0 cancel हो जाएगा. So here you are left with 8 by 10. वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट एक्स, हमें मार्क प्राइस निकालना है, तो एक्स को इधर ही रहने देते हैं. 8/10, when it will move to this side, this will get reciprocated and converted to 10/8. Solve it, you'll get 2000 as your answer. So x हमने क्या सपोज किया था, मार्क्ड प्राइस, दैट मीन्स हमारा मार्क्ड प्राइस क्या आ गया, 2000. So this is your marked price. Moving to the second part, they are asking you the selling price. Selling price. Now we know the formula for the selling price. Formula is 100 minus discount percentage into marked price upon 100. 100 minus discount percentage. Look at the question back. This is given to you if the article is sold at a discount of 16%. This is given in the question itself. Please read the question. Discount percentage is given to you, 16%. So I'll put the value here, 16. Marked price, now we have calculated, that is 2000 upon 100. So this is all about selling price. Once you will solve this part, you'll get the answer of the selling price as well. Third part, you have to find out the profit percentage. This is same as the third part of question number 8, which I have explained you just now. So make sure you will do it yourself. Okay, this is all about today's lecture. I suppose the questions are well understood by you. Make sure you'll do it in the notebook today itself, and if you feel any problem, feel free to ask. Okay, thank you.